Hello friends, it's Apex Trading Solutions here. So if you are tired of watching your account bleed after a few bad trades, if you keep making the same mistake over and over, then stay with me for the next 5 minutes because I built something that completely changed how I trade and it can do the same for you. You can see here we have made a Apex Trading General, which is a digital form of general, okay, which show you live data, live statistics for your trading. Okay, so you can see here it will show you total trades you have taken. Okay, you can set the date from you want to see it. Okay, so if you want to see the data of only today, you can set that. Okay, you can see the win rate out of 100 trade, how much percentage of trade you have profited. Okay, so you can see here out of 15 trade, out of the trade I have taken, 15 trade was positive and 13 trade was loose. This is a demo account and I just take the trades to see the workability of this tool. Okay, the net profit, you can see it will show the net profit, today's profit. Okay, the net profit is the profit for the period of starting this tool. Okay, as you attach this tool to the chart, it will show this net profit. Okay, today's profit is the total profit today the system, your system had made. Okay, it will show you profit factor, expectancy, maximum drawdown, and out of 3 sessions, Asian, London and New York session, which session you performed very well. Okay, so your best session is we can see the Asian session is best for us. Average risk reward ratio, it will show that if you have set stop loss and target for your trade, then it will show the risk reward ratio. Okay, and average risk reward ratio will be calculated out of all the trades. Okay, here you can see average duration. So each trade duration was about 0.5 minute. Okay, 30 seconds. So this for me it will show you this same type of view for your trading. Okay, session performance, you can see here the Asian session I have made $32,000 profit. Okay, this is a demo account just to make sure. Okay, and in London session and New York session, it will show the all the data. Okay, now after analyzing this data, it will show you the analysis here. Okay, so you can see the current loose track here. Okay, so you can set a particular number. Okay, from the properties. So I have set maximum loss track alert as 3. Okay, so now after 3 consecutive loss trades, you can see here we will get this 3 consecutive losses alert. Okay, it will give you automatically this alert that warrior, the market has taken your rhythm today, close all the charts now, protect your capital, it is your greatest weapon, rest, review your journal, recharge your mind. Okay, tomorrow you are return sharper, stronger and ready to conquer. The next winning stack is waiting for you. It will show you this alert. Okay, so it's calm you down and it remind you that your capital is to save your capital is better than to recover today and today. Okay, and lose all the capital you have. Okay, so it will give you this kind of alert. The same alert it will give you for the drawdown also. Okay, so you can set a particular percentage of drawdown, like if you have set 5%, so if your trade lose more than 5% of your capital, it will give you this drawdown alert. Okay, so your capital is bleeding, stop trading immediately, protect what you have built, a smart trader preserve capital to fight another day, rest today, come back tomorrow stronger. Okay, so it will give you this kind of alert. So another thing is the day of the week heat map. Okay, so each day of week it will show you the numbers. Okay, so if you have set like make a profit of $5,000 or $500 or $50, it will show here on Monday, on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. For each day it will show the profit you have made. Okay, or the loss you have made. Okay, now here is the equity curve. equity curve shows us the profit and loss trades, okay, and it will show that how your equity moved up and then down, okay. So you can see our equity was around this point, this point, this point, and it was maximum at this point, and then we lose 2-3 trades, okay. So it will show the curve like this. Now the best part is the general, okay. So this is the live board, okay, but you can export this data to a spreadsheet, okay. Now I am doing this. You have to just click this on this button, export full journal CSV file, okay. So it will show that journal exported successfully. Now you can check this file in the mt5 files folder, okay. So you have to open this files, open data folder, and in this mt5 here we have files folder. You can see that apex trade journal.csv has created. Now if you open it, you can see this is the file, okay. Now it will show your ticket number, symbol, buy or sell type of trade. It was entry time, entry price, exit time, exit price, lots, SL, TP, profit, swap, commission, net profit, how much time your trade survived, okay, duration time, session, in which session it was taken, weekdays, when it was taken, okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, risk reward ratio. So if you have set TP and SL, then it will show you the risk reward ratio too, okay. Now how your trade was closed, okay. So if your trade was closed at the stop loss, it will comment as the TP stop loss hit, or if your trade closed at the TP, then it will comment as TP hit, okay. So you can get that your trade was closed at TP, or you closed at the half in between, or it was closed at the stop loss, okay. Now you can also tag your trade type, okay. So like you can tag number of things here. So if it was a FOMO trade, it was a revenge trade, it was a good setup, or it was a news trade, okay. So you can enter whatever your thought was when you have take the trade, okay. So after reviewing this every week, you can get your trading history, okay, and your trading pattern, why you are losing and why you are making profit, okay. So it will make you better in trading. Now why to the setup will show like this, okay. You can change the color of this, okay, it can be customized, okay. Now we will see that why it's important to have this kind of system, okay. So you can see your trading history already has the answer, you are just not analyzing it, okay. So if you want to get answer that why you are a losing trader, okay, or why you can't survive in some kind of market, then you have to track your data first, okay, then only you can get the answer from it. So your trading history has all the answers with it, but you have to analyze it, okay. So Apex Trading Journal and Coach will give you that benefit. If you are not journaling, you are gambling, okay. Transformation. So before the Apex Trading Journal, if you are taking random trades, emotional decisions, no growth, repeating same mistakes, okay, this will be the issues you are having with. But after the Apex Trading Journal, you will take data driven decisions, control your psychology, consistent improvement will be there, okay. If you consistently analyze your data and be disciplined about your trading, okay, and you will get a clear trading edge. Benefits of using Apex Trading Journal is it is fully automated, okay. So you don't have to do anything, only and only if you want to tag that trade, okay. So it was a FOMO trade or a news trade, okay, you have to do that only manually, okay. Otherwise it is fully automatic, okay. it will give you clarity. Everything shows in a live dashboard. Okay, so after each trade your dashboard will upgrade. Okay, it will update, so you will get live analysis of your trading. It will make you disciplined because of the VFC. The alert will be there. Okay, so after 3 consecutive losing trade or 4 consecutive, whichever number you have put there, after that it will show you alert, so you don't take trade again and and lose your trade. Okay, also it shows alert on the drawdown. So if there is a drawdown more than the percentage you have set, then it will give you alert. Okay, so it makes you conscious about your trading improvement. So it will track your data, it will analyze it, and you can see the analysis and improve yourself. Okay, you have to improve and repeat this process. Okay, and why to use this digital journal instead of paper one? So if you are serious about trading, you need statistics, not notes. Okay, first you have to learn this. Paper journaling feels productive, digital journaling gives you data. Okay, and analyze it, so that's why it's better than the paper journal. Okay, first the benefit is fully automated tracking. So it direct syncs with the mt5. Okay, so it's not like you forgot to add some data or add some trades. Okay, you can't skip your losing trades or show yourself the fake analysis. Okay, it will show you what your trading history tells. Okay, exactly 100% accurately. There are no excuses. Second thing is the real-time analytics. So it will give you instant win rate, risk reward ratio, profit factor, and drawdown. Okay, this will make you conscious about your trading. What takes hours on paper happens in second. Okay, every 5 seconds your panel will update. Okay, your dashboard will update every 5 seconds. Okay, objective data. So system logs actual trades, no manipulation, no bias. If you are taking notes by yourself, there can be a possibility of error, but here in digital journal there is no possibility of error. It will detect pattern. Okay, which strategy works, which time you perform best, which trades lose money. Okay, turns random trading into structured execution. The fifth thing is faster decision making, live tracking and alerts. Okay, dashboard view, instant clarity, alert for maximum drawdown limit. So as we see that whatever the market has taken your rhythm today, close all the charts now. So it will show this kind of alert whenever there is more than you have set the consecutive losses number. If it reached, then you will get this alert. Okay, same for the drawdown too. Okay, so if we have set drawdown limit to 0.5, then it will give you alert that drawdown has reached to 0.5. Okay, if we have set 15%, then drawdown alert will come. Okay, at that 15.1% of your capital has wiped out. Okay, so close the trade. Okay, another thing is scalability. Okay, for paper trading you can general 10 trades, but for digital tracking more than 1000 trades can be easily tracked. Okay, and if you are familiar with the spreadsheet, then you can analyze it very easily. So this was all it. If you want to purchase the indicator, it's $20 a month charges. Okay, call me or message me on the given number. If you have any query or questions, you can ask me anytime. It will run on mt5. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much.